Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these really cool, super strong, totally clumsy-proof rose quartz nails. So if you'd like to see how I made these, just keep watching. So what makes these nails so super strong is that the color is actually done with pink builder gel instead of regular color gel. I'll explain why a little bit later on in the video. For the white streaks, I use the White Light Elegance gel paint and a few different brushes for drawing and smudging the stripes. Now I started this set after sculpting a set of clear extensions, but you can do this on tips on sculpted clear extensions, or you can sculpt your extensions out of the pink builder gel and save yourself a step. Whichever method you choose, go ahead and cure after the first layer of pink builder gel. Next, you'll want to grab your white gel paint, draw some stripes on the nail, and then smudge them around a little bit with a chunkier type of brush like the block brush I'm using here. I like to cure the thumbnail separately, that way if I hit it, it won't smudge anything I've already painted. For this bottom layer of stripes, I smudged them out a little bit thicker, as I find this gives the design a little bit more of a realistic feel. On the ring finger here, I decided I'd try going right in with the block brush, but found out I didn't really like that method and switched back to the stripy brush. Once you've finished your lines, go ahead and cure them and proceed to do the next layer of the pink builder gel. Now of course, this can be done with any pink color gel, but being the clumsy kind of person that I am, I slam my hands into everything, all the time, so a little extra strength in the nail comes in handy. Now that you've done your middle layer of pink, go in with the white lines again, this time smudging them a little bit less as they'll be the ones closest to the surface, so we want them a little more thin and veiny. The great part about this design is that the lines don't have to be perfect, since the streaks and veins and stones are never symmetrical anyway. Once you've cured, it's time for the last layer of the pink builder. Don't forget, it's never a good idea to touch uncured gel with your skin. It looks like that's what I'm doing here, but I'm really wiping it off with the corner of my nail, which I then cleanse. If you need to touch up, your best bet is to do it with a small brush dipped in a little bit of cleanser. Once the last layer of pink is applied and cured, it's time to encapsulate and build the apex. I'm trying out the Light Elegance One Step here, but you can use whatever gel you prefer, or if you plan ahead, which I didn't, you can build your apex right into the nail while applying the pink builder gel layers. So once you've cured, it's time to cleanse and finish file. In the interest of saving a little bit of time, I cut the finish filing footage, plus I was not really good about staying in frame anyway. So the final step is to apply the top coat of your choice. I went with a shiny one, but this design looks amazing with a matte or even a semi-matte top coat. And there you have it. Super cute, super strong, clumsy-proof rose quartz nails. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.